Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the chopping block is P0117, which means your engine control module ECM is detecting a lower than expected coolant temperature. This can lead to a rich running engine, poor fuel economy, and even overheating issues. Don't worry though, in this video we'll go through some troubleshooting steps to get your car running happy again. The P0117 code indicates a problem with the engine coolant temperature X sensor circuit. This sensor tells the ECM how hot the engine is, which is crucial for proper operation. A faulty sensor or wiring issue can cause the ECM to receive incorrect readings, throwing the P0117 code. While the check engine light is the most common symptom, you might also experience rough idling, poor fuel economy, engine overheating in some cases. OBDI scanner, socket wrench set, replacement engine coolant, temperature sensor, rags, coolant. Check the code. First, use your OBDI scanner to verify the P0117 code. You can also reset the code here, but it might come back if the problem isn't fixed. Visual inspection. Pop the hood and follow the coolant hoses to locate the X sensor. Check the wiring for any cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. Look at the sensor itself for any damage. If the diagnosis points to a bad sensor, it's a relatively inexpensive and straightforward replacement. If you have a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance based on your car's repair manual. With the engine cold, the resistance should be within a specific range. Remove the thermostat, locate your HVAC system's breaker box and shut off the power to the furnace or air handler. Alternatively, you might find a labeled switch near the thermostat itself. Most thermostats simply pull off their base plate on the wall. There might be a latch or a button to press for release. Refer to your thermostat's manual for specific instructions, if available. After the fix, clear the trouble code from your OBDI scanner and start the engine. Check if the problem is resolved and the check engine light stays off. Important safety reminders. Always consult your car's manual before attempting any repairs. Never work on a hot engine. Let it cool completely before touching the coolant system. If you're uncomfortable with any step, take your car to a qualified mechanic. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0117 code. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're unsure about any step, seek help from a professional. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.